Hello everyone, DIY Guy Fire Alarm here, and today we're going to be doing a New Year Fire Alarm Blast of 2024. Now in 16 minutes from now, as you can see from the computer over there, it'll be New Year's, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be setting off the fire alarm with the spool station right here, and all this fire alarm will be going off for 1 minute, and then that'll be it. Now before I continue with this, I want to say thanks for everyone who subscribed to my YouTube channel, like my content, and so on. And I wish everyone a happy and great new year. I'm sorry if you don't see too many fire alarms down here, and that is because I really do not want to make too much fire alarm going off, as you know, that's too much wire and too much work. So this is all the alarm I pick up from the back. But without further ado, let's talk when we get to the 1 minute mark. We are 1 minute into the New Year's, so let's get ready. "20 seconds remaining. I will initiate the countdown at 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year's! Alright everyone, that's been a New Year blast. Hope to do this again in the next year. Other than that, take care and see you in the next one.